3M PELTOR WS LiteCom Pro 3 Review. Noise? What noise? Best Industrial Headset 2025. Ever felt like your ears are trapped in a battlefield every shift? Between roaring machines, blaring alarms, and shouting coworkers, your focus crumbles faster than your hearing. You're trying to hit targets, but unreliable gear blocks communication and safety. Those bargain bin ear protectors? Useless. Bluetooth crackles. Radios fail. Meanwhile, noise pounds your ears, draining motivation and blocking every thought. Sound familiar? When bad equipment turns daily work into survival mode, you're stuck battling distractions instead of crushing tasks. It's time to admit, your current headset is slowing you down, leaving you overwhelmed, drained, and dangerously disconnected. Now, multiply that frustration. Imagine struggling to coordinate with your team, missing critical updates, and second-guessing every instruction, all while battling deafening noise. Missed radio calls. Fumbled signals. The anxiety creeps in. Productivity drops. Deadlines tighten like a noose. Safety? Compromised. Your old gear forces you to choose, protect your hearing or communicate with your team, not both. The mental load of toggling between unsafe noise exposure and chaotic miscommunication is unbearable. Every shift feels like burnout waiting to happen. How much longer can you afford to gamble with failure, injury, or worse, silence in an emergency? Enter the 3M PELTOR WS LiteCom Pro 3 headset, the beast built to obliterate noise and restore your focus. This isn't just hearing protection, it's industrial armor for your ears, with Bluetooth, programmable two-way radio, and noise-canceling calms all packed into one rugged headset. With 70 programmable channels and VOX hands-free operation, you'll dominate even the loudest job sites with zero hassle. Level-dependent listening technology keeps you aware of your surroundings without removing your protection. Engineered for the pros who refuse to compromise, this headset connects seamlessly with radios, phones, and teammates, while shielding you from dangerous decibels. Experience uninterrupted communication, razor-sharp focus, and stress-free collaboration with the PELTOR LiteCom Pro 3. Ditch the tangled cords and static-filled radios. This headset's built-in Bluetooth and digital and analog radio deliver crisp, clear sound every shift. Whether on a construction site, in a factory, or patrolling high-security areas, you'll hear what matters without sacrificing safety. The noise-canceling mic slices through chaos, letting your team hear your voice, not the background roar. Want to work smarter, not harder? It's time to upgrade. Dive deeper into how PELTOR's industry-leading tech can revolutionize your workflow and keep your crew protected. Thousands of professionals worldwide trust 3M PELTOR to keep their teams safe, connected, and focused, even in the harshest environments. Why not join them? Act now. Supply is limited for the PELTOR LiteCom Pro 3, and every shift without it puts you at risk. Don't wait. Buy yours today. Limited stock. Secure yours before your competitors do. Hear your team, not the noise. Protect your ears, boost your efficiency, and communicate like a pro. This isn't just an upgrade, it's your edge. Order now, lead safer, work smarter, win harder.